So, hi guys, welcome back. And yeah, after this class, we have written the class. Now we need to see this in the front end. We need to see this in the UI, right? So, what we need to do if we wanted to see this, the first and foremost thing, if you wanted to give access to the classes, you need to create the action menu item. Okay, so first you need to create the action menu item. Let's create. Right click, add new item. So there is a user interface and click on action menu item and give the name whichever it is, according to your requirements. And after creating the action menu item, go to the properties of that. Once after going to the properties, you'll be able to see all these things, right? So what you can just do first, I'll just give label as test for now. Okay, as this is not the best practice, you need to create a label files and everything. Okay, as of now, for just to test it, I'm giving it. And give object type as class, because ours is a class, right? And in the object you need to give the class name. So what's your class name? So there's a test runnable job or class or something, right? So you need to give that. So click on search, just select our class. Okay. Once after this, so now you gave a permission for the class to open, right? So, but how are you going to, how you're going to attach this? So you need to attach this to a client, right? So if you are going to attach to the client, what you have to do it is, you need to create the extension for that. Okay, so yeah, if there are some new people which they have doesn't know this, maybe they might not be understand much, but yeah, so someone knows it, yeah, definitely they'll get to know easily. So what you have to do, menu, and just drag and drop the menu item to the menu. Okay, I'm just will do on the windows. Oh, sorry, I'm just dragging the class. So just drag and drop this. Okay, and save it, build it, and we'll refresh and we'll test it. Okay, let it build. Okay, so build is completed, right? So let's refresh the form. Okay, so let's test now. I have added here in the accounts payable and test. So when I click this button, so that class should be executed. See here, there's a notification, right? So here, if you can just see, these are all the accounts, customer accounts that you are able to see. So this is how, where you can execute the customer accounts. Not only customer account, you, if you wanted to execute anything according to your company requirement, you can do it in the same way by creating the class, runnable class, and you can test it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.